Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the background, I've mounted the microwave, fire extinguisher has been mounted, and next to it the control panel. I'll show a bit more detail now. I've had endless problems with that, with a water indicator for the clean water and for the black tank. And eventually I just ripped the whole unit out, scrapped the whole PC board, Googled and found a solution on Google, and I just built up my own system, and it works like a dream. So yeah, see a bit more of the van, what I did this last week. Yeah, as I mentioned, I just had problems with this level indicator, and I'll make up a new control panel later on, a bit smaller. I don't need this big panel anymore because I don't use a battery indicator. But just to get it working, I fitted my whole new circuitry behind this unit just to see how it works, and it works very well. Yeah, so the reason why I don't need the battery indicator on the other control panel is I've got it here that I can switch between the two batteries. So I've added a bit of color. We're getting there. It looks a little bit different now, having a bit more color in here. The next thing I've got to tackle now is to get rid of the curtains and go and get some blinds. I don't like the curtains, but yeah, that'll be the next job. Parcel arrived as I promised. They promised me 2 weeks ago that it'll be here today, and here it is. So looking forward to installing this on the van and then see how it fits, and then I'll go and get another one. They ordered me 2. Only took 1 for the moment just to see how it's going to fit. And yeah, so next video you'll see how this all pans out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Hopefully next weekend I'll be going camping with Russell and them, so just hope the weather's going to be good. And then coming week, lots of exciting things are going to happen as well. It's something that I'm looking forward to that's going to be happening with the van, and can't wait to share that with you. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, share, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.